maybe not put that right by the warmer. I want to put this in it. I'm pinching this from our pool table set, so obviously don't tell anyone, because when they ask where it's gone, I have no clue. I'm going to try and put that in there and make it kind of like, instead of a button eye, it's an 8-ball eye. No. The spoon's here from last year. Last year's pumpkin on it too. ASMR pumpkin carving. I think I'm just going to take away a little bit at a time from the inside until it fits in there. Like that. You can't see. Like that. See here? It's about to fit. You silly pumpkin. I have some toothpicks here somewhere, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I've now got some black liquid just to paint on the inside of the pumpkin to make everything look a bit darker. And before you say anything, no, I'm just definitely not stealing all these ideas from a very well-known top guy. I knew about this before I saw it on there. So, you know, I'm gonna have to take the toothpicks out though. For the eyeball, that still looks okay. I didn't quite get all the strands out around here, but that's fine. It adds to the spookiness. I promise I'm not copying him again. You know, one thing's enough. It's inspired. Oh, I could put a spider in there. That actually looks cool on the camera. It looks a lot cooler on the camera than it does in real life. I mean, it's usually the other way around. So I reckon do one more cross closer to the mouth part, and I've got to itch my eye, and I've got dirty hands. You just want to say, if you haven't realised already, then this is obviously inspired by Mr. Duke's pumpkin. Just kind of put my own little twist on it. Just ideas I've had. Obviously this he did on the eye, and he used some very juicy oranges for his eyes, and I have used an 8-ball. But yeah, just kind of doing it as I go, really. Thinking of stuff and doing it. I didn't really have a plan going into this. I was just going to carve it and then see what happens. But for this eye, I'm thinking I've got some of this, which is the inside of paracord, and I was thinking of kind of crisscrossing the inside of the eye with that, and then having a little piece trail off, put a little spider on it. But we don't have any little spiders, so I'm gonna have to try and 3D print one. Let me just get you down from there. Stitches, eye, web, spider. Okay. Now that our spider's printed, let's go take it outside. Oh, it's still raining. I dropped it. He's alright. There's a doggy. It looks like a nose if it's there. I might cut this. Actually glue it first and then cut it. And then place a tiny bit of glue on the spider. Finished. Do you hear that noise? It sounds like something's flying, but not like a plane or anything. I have no clue what that is. Oh, good job I caught that. We all know that would not have ended well. That was a close one. We all know that not. Yeah, me too.